Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today we are going to be doing a review. I was in Winners the other day and I was there looking for a bag. Didn't get a bag, couldn't find one. Got distracted in the makeup aisle and bought an eyeshadow palette. But I also got distracted in the clothing aisle and bought a shirt, which is this one, which I really like. It's so fun. I got this eyeshadow palette right here, and it's by Beauty Treats, which I've never heard of that brand before, and honestly I'll probably never find this palette again. But it's probably available online, I'm sure. Winners usually has like a whole bunch of odds and ends for makeup from different brands, different companies, so it's definitely a barrel of things to try that are new and things that are either broken or touched or swatched or stuff you don't want, but stuff you're also like, and this is one of them. So we are going to be testing out this bad boy today. I haven't opened it, I haven't taken out the package, haven't done anything, and I've been dying to just dig my hands into it. So today will be that chance. So basically this is the packaging. It's just like this sort of like dual chrome pink purple packaging, I would say. Clear front. When you take it out of the packaging, it looks like this. The reason why I made that face is because usually when I see palettes like this with a clear front and like this plasticky packaging, it always reminds me of like makeup you find in like clothing stores, which oftentimes I have no luck with. So we'll see how this works. This palette is called Rose All Day. I believe they do have a few others because I did see at least one other that was more nudes, which I got plenty of nudes. We don't need more nudes. So when you open it up, you get 24 colors, I believe. Yes, 24 velvety smooth matte metallic shimmer shades. And honestly, the colors themselves look amazing. Like this color, this color, this color, this color, this color. Like, I'm so excited, you guys. Yeah, like the range and the color story look beautiful, and I love that. So I really hope these do well and perform well, because if they do, this will be... I think first things first is we will swatch all of the shades. They don't have names, so I'm just gonna show you some arm swatches. Oh my god, this shirt is perfect for that because it's a quarter sleeve. Okay, so the first row, this one right here, they were super smooth and like glided on so nice and have like really nice pigment to them. So now we have our second row. Again, very nice in pigment, and like it's like a very smooth color. There wasn't like a lot of variations in the swatches, which is a good sign. True test will be on the eyes, and that was our second row. And then the last row looks like this. Again, really, really pretty, really promising. That just goes to show, do not judge a book by its cover, because like, even like that black like is so pigmented, that red really stood out. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, let's move on to like actually making an eye look. So I'm gonna start by taking this peachy shade right here. I'm just gonna brush that under the brow bone. This color will not show up too much on me, but it will just be like a subtle highlight in the end. Let's then dip into this sort of grayish shade right here. Just take that through our crease. I'm gonna then go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna layer that right on top. So far I'm having no issues with it going on or like blending out. Like they're nice and smooth and like have a good amount of pigment. On a more tapered brush, I'm gonna take this brown right here. It's a bit warmer. And I'm gonna focus that just a little bit lower in my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this orangey shade here. And I'm just gonna go over that. Now I'm going to attempt to do a cut crease, so wish me luck. I'm going to take some Colourpop concealer. Just going to put some on the back of my hand. I'm just going to take a flat shader brush. And just sort of cut my crease. And then I kind of like look up and then look back down to see where it transfers. And that's where I'll cut my crease. I'm going to fix up the cut crease a bit. I'm just going to dip back into those two gray shades. So after I cut the crease, I just set it with the same powder that I used under my brow. Okay, so that's as good as it's gonna get because cut creases are super hard. I'm gonna do some wing eyeliner and I'll be back because this is taking me forever. I don't think my eyeliner has ever looked worse. It's very loud and very obnoxious. But you know, instead of trying to fix it, we're gonna move on. I want something like really bold on the lower lash line. So I think we're gonna go in with this red right here. Ooh. Gonna line the inside waterline with some black. And then super tight to that waterline, I'm just gonna take some of the black and stamp it super close. And then for the inner corner, to just do something even more different, I think I'm gonna go in with one of these like pink shades. So let's just swatchy some. Oh shoot. Some of these shadows are very soft, like this one, very soft. My hand's super dirty. We're gonna go in with the copper shade. And then just see how these shadows work wet. I'm just going with my brush. And then just go right over the same place. It definitely made it a little bit more intense. You can barely tell in the camera. In real life, it's a lot more intense. And that's the completed eye look. This look is definitely very different for me. Like, I tried a lot of different techniques that I haven't actually played with before, and I'm excited to like improve this look and make it look better in the future. But this isn't just a video about this eye look, it's about this palette. So overall thoughts: the metallics in here are really great. They are super intense. Not all of these are metallics. Some of them are like shimmers, and some are like more like a glitter. So just like an overlay, like this shadow right here. This shadow right here is definitely one of those shadows that is a glitter and more of a topper. But I love shadows like that because they can really elevate a look. The mattes in here, they are very creamy. They are very blendable. They are also very pigmented. Like, they're definitely gonna pack a punch, including these like lighter cool tone colors. This one is the only one that really had any fallout, which is also the most intensely pigmented metallic shade. So I kind of expected that, and it really doesn't bother me. Overall, this palette was really great, and it was only $10, so definitely getting your money's worth with this one. And I think I will be keeping this bad boy in place of this eyeshadow palette I have. This one is All Pinks. It was part of that Christmas review video that I did. It's the only one I kept. But now that I have this one, they're really similar, and I feel like I don't need both. And I find these ones, now that I play with them more, are very like, they're very soft to the point that they kind of like just want to fall off the brush, not really pack a punch. Unlike this one, which is like, I'm here. This was definitely worth the $10 for 24 shadows. Like, you can't really go wrong there. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! I came right back because I realized we were missing something that was going to complete this look, and that is some mascara. And I want to show you guys how this look is going to look with mascara, because I think it's going to be a lot better, but let's see. Okay, you can hardly see it with the mascara, but It definitely does make this look better. So that's all, guys. Goodbye for real. Bye.